Hi everyone. In this video, I'll go over some example solves using the Roux method. Scrambles will be on screen and in the description as well. Alright, in this first scramble, I'll be doing the green-white first block. So we see this DL is already solved, and we have a free pair right here. So I could just insert this with F prime, and that would bring this corner up here with red top. And to solve the back pair, I would do B to put the edge up here, M prime to put it down there, and then U prime R to match the corner with the edge, and B prime to insert it. And from that, the DR would just do a B and a B prime, so it would come back here. So I'll show it now. So F prime B at the same time, M prime to put the edge on there. And now as I'm AUFing, I see this corner and this edge, so I would cancel into solving them like this. I also see this corner, but I don't see the edge anywhere, so it's probably in the back. So when I insert this, I'll end this with a wide R, and yes, it's the edge I'm looking for, so I could insert it like this. Now CML. Now I see this LR edge, and when I finish CML, I see the other ones right here, so I could do this EOLR like this. And I see this is orange and this is orange, so I would do M because I want to preserve this block. Alright, for the second scramble, I'll be doing the yellow-green first block. So if I do a D prime, that'll make the square here. And this corner with this edge, I would do U, R to pair them over here, and then wide R to put them here, and then F would just insert it. And from that, this DR would do a U, and then the R won't affect it, but then the wide R will orient it in this position. So I'll show it now. So D prime U, R pairs this, R wide, F, and I see this pair also, so I can preserve it like this. And I see this edge in this corner, so I would put this edge down here, so I can move the corner over here and M2 pair. And now I would peek at the side, and I see these two match, these two match. I use this out. I see the other edge is here and the other one's here, so I can do the EOLR like this. And I see this is red and this is orange, so I could mismatch the top and cancel into 4C. Alright, for this third scramble, I'll do the yellow-blue first block. And the way I'll do that is, if I do a wide R prime, U prime, that'll put this edge down here and set this pair up, but that'll also make this pair in the back. So this corner is going to be here from the U prime, and I'll do B2 to insert this pair here, and R prime F will finish the front pair. And from that, this DR edge, wide R prime will bring it here, U prime brings it here, and it'll stay there because the B2 won't affect it and R prime F won't affect it. So I'll show that now. Wide R prime, U prime, B2, and then this front pair. And I see this pair also. So instead of just doing U2 and then insert it, that'll break this pair, I would just do an R here, and then U2, insert. And I see this edge, so I'll keep it oriented because I saw this corner go down there, and U, and do this the C-fop way. And I'll peek at the side to see that these two match and these two opposite, and I'll do this out. And here's an LR edge and here's the other one, so I do this EOLR. And then I see that I gotta skip. Alright, for this fourth scramble, I would do the yellow-green first block. So first, I would do D prime to solve this edge over here. And then for this pair in the back, I would do wide R2 B prime, and that'll move this edge over here and then up here with red top, and it'll flip this corner here with green top. And to solve this pair, I would do U to move it here, M, bring the edge down here, and then U prime, R2 to match the corner with it, and then F. And from that, this DR, it would go D prime was here, wide R2, B prime would be flipped here, and then the R2 will move here, and then F would orient it over here. So I'll show that now. D prime to solve this edge, wide R2, B prime solves this, and then this pair, U, M, and then this edge. And I see this corner, so when I do wide R2, I see this edge also. So I know this corner is going to come back here, so I could go straight into this pair, like this. And I could peek at the bottom, and I see this edge and this corner also. So I could go straight into that pair, like this. And then I could peek at the side, these two match, and these are like opposite. So I do this out. And then these two are the LR edges, so I could do the EOLR like this. And then I see this is red, this is orange, so they're opposite, and I could misalign the top and cancel into 4C. Alright, for this fifth scramble, I would do this white-red block, first block. I would solve this pair first by doing R prime, U, they'll be paired here, and then F2. And then that'll move this corner with blue on top here. And then this is red, so I would do U, and then white R2 would pair them over here. And then U2, white R, B prime. And this DR edge would move, the R prime would put it here. UF2 does nothing. And then the U and the white R2, it'll move, it will swing over to here. U2, white R, B prime would put it up here oriented. So I'll show it now. Solve this front pair, move the corner here, pair like this. And I see this pair also. So I could go straight into that, but I would prefer not to because I see this also. So I could actually do this pair because it's easier like this. And then this pair. And then I would do U2 here and do this ALG. I see here's an LR edge and here's the other one. So I would do this EOLR. And yeah. Also, if you're interested in this cube, it's the Cubicle Labs Valk M. It works pretty well for Roux. I use it as my backup main. Here, the GAN 356X is my main. And I'll put links in the description to buy both of these cubes at the Cubicle. Thanks for watching.